illustration shows some of the changes related to the flattening tool for window flattening. The flatten tool, located as the fourth icon, has two new options, one for flat and one for extreme curvature windows. Let's go ahead and demonstrate the Ford Mustang back window using the flat option. Select the tool, select the curves you want to flatten, and notice one of the new options is an analysis of the curve after it's been flattened, comparing the 3D distance with the 2D distance. If the difference between the two is large, that means that there's a curvature issue. In the Ford Mustang example, we have less than 0.5% difference between the two measurements. Let's go ahead and do that again. Only this time we'll use the new curvature flattening algorithm. Let's pick extreme curvature. And this method requires that you select one loop at a time. So let's select this portion, and we're going to put 2 points that represent the fold line. What we're doing is we're taking rectangular sections of this profile and rotating them out. So this takes into consideration the curvature. Alright, now let's go ahead and turn on the other side, and we'll do a show only. And likewise, we'll go back over to our extreme curvature option, and we're going to pick an endpoint to endpoint and flatten that. Now let's show all the curves, and let's see what we have. What I'm going to do to compare the 3D to the 2D is I'm going to select the curve, and I'm going to do a verify length. Alright, so that's 91.698. That's the true 3D length, and after you flatten, you hope to have your 2D length be the same as your 3D length. So here we have 91.6. So 91.6 versus 91.698. Okay, over on the other side, we have 55 compared to 55.03. So we're pretty good. Now let's go ahead and turn off our 3D curves. Now jump into the top view, and let's bring up the 2D pattern that's in the DXF format, and let's compare the actual with what we did. And I'm going to select that pattern, and I'm going to copy it. There's my copy command, there it is. And then I'm going to close the file out. Now that I have it in my paste buffer, and I'm just going to paste it into this drawing. Next, let's go ahead and align the two. And what I'll do is go to my gripper. The gripper is a way to easily rotate and position an object. And we're going to bring it over here, and let's zoom up. And then this blue rotate. And let's get the bottom edge, and then let's try and translate it into a position. And now we can kind of just inspect along the edge. It's got a little bit of a deviation there. The top is good, sides are good, and so that's that particular windshield.